Hello everyone, my name is Prasad Jagtap. I am data science and business analytic intern at Spark Foundation. So this is my first task, which is prediction using supervised machine learning. In this task we have to predict the percentage score of a student based on the number of hours studied. The task has two variables where the features in the number of hours studied and target value is the percentage score. This can be solved using simple linear regression. First of all, I am importing few libraries where is pandas, numpy, matplotlib, seaborn. After reading the data, I am getting the shape of a data which is 25,2, which means there are 25 rows in the data and 2 columns in the data. Hence, we can describe the data and we can find the information about the data with the help of two functions, which is data.describe and data.information. From data.information we are getting 25 not null values, which means there are no null values in the data. We don't have take care about the null values. It also tell about us that hours variable is float type and score variable is integer type. So we plot the scatter graph between two variables where number of hours studies in is on x-axis and the score obtained by the student is on y-axis. From scatter plot, we can see that there is fairly linear relation between the two variables. This can be validative with the help of correlation coefficient. So correlation coefficient, we are getting this at 0.976, which is fairly equal to 1. This means that there is positive linear relation between two variables, which implies that if number of hours increase, then score also increase. So here we have plot the distribution plot of two variables. We are getting the variables at a particular range and there are no outliers in the variable. If outlier is not present, then it is good for a model. Here is a model which we are using, that linear regression model. In the linear regression model, first we are dividing the data set in training and testing data set. So 80% of the data into training data and 20% of the data is into the test data set. In the linear regression, what sklearn internally does, it finds a line. Basically, it finds the slope and the intercept of a line where all the points fall. After seeing the scatter plot of this data, there cannot be any line in which all the points fall for that socket. sklearn does it find a line in which difference of predicted values of a line and the actual value of a point is minimum. These are the two outputs of a model, which is the slope of a line and intercept, so which denoted by m and c, and this is target value and predicted value. Target value, which value we already got in data set, and predicted value which the model is predicting. We are also plotting a distributed plot for the difference between target value and predicted value. This difference is very close to zero. Yeah, it is range of -5 to 5. So it basically tells that a model is fitting the data, where the main task is that to predict the score if a student studies 9.25 hours per day. So here we are getting 91.56% score for a student who studies 9.25 hours per day. And this is the model evaluation. We are using two performance metrics for evaluation. First one is mean absolute error and second one is r square score. So we are getting high r square score, which is 0.97, and it is good score. It tells us that our model is predicting 97% of data. Thank you.